Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can juggle in the FIFA 23. So by the way, I have the default controller setup, and what I have to do, click and hold the left 2 button on the controller and then tapping on the R1. Take a look. Okay, that was very simple, right? You can open the options, and when you're in the practice arena, you can go for the skill modes help, and right here you will find instruction for all tricks. And as you can see, the ball juggle, it's in this place, left 2 button and the R1 tapping, and that's how we can juggle in this game. If you have older setup, you can change them in the main settings of your FIFA 23. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.